Today we'll be showing you how to install a hard drive on a 16-channel Uniview NVR, model number NVR 30416 EPB. This one is a little different than the 4 and 8 channel that we show on previous videos. This one support up to 4 hard drive up to 10 terabyte per page. The 4 and 8 channel support only 1 hard drive up to 10 terabyte per page. This unit, you won't have any screws on this side. You will only gonna have 2 screws in the back right here to remove the top of the unit and get inside to install the hard drive. Let's start removing these screws and putting on a side, on a safe place. Okay. And then now you need to slide it to the back and lift it, and that's how you remove the top of the unit. Okay, in here you're gonna have 4 SATA connections for the hard drive. For the 4 hard drives to put it, you're going to have power supply cables are going to be already installed here. Difference than the 4 and 8 channel, the cable comes in a different bag separately, and here already installed. You're going to need scissors, and then I'm going to cut here. It comes attached. Okay, let's give a little cut here to remove this zip type. Okay. Now that we have everything removed, we're going to have 2, 4, 6, 8 power connections. We're only going to use 1 now, or up to 4. Okay, let's remove any remaining zip tie that we have here. Okay, now let me show you here. Okay. Hard drive plate. This plate can be removed if you want. There's 1 screw on each side here of the unit, in case that you have more than 1 hard drive. So you just remove this plate, lay down your hard drive upside down like this, place the plate over them, and then you just screw it and then put it back in, and then attach it with the screws. Now we're only gonna install 1 hard drive, so there's no need now to remove this plate. Okay, the plate has different holes. As the 4 and 8 channel unit, these holes here, the ones on the middle, these holes belongs to the hard drive that are from 1 to 6 terabyte. Now, if you want to install 8 or 10 terabyte, then you're going to use this one here on the top. You're gonna use the longest distance between them. And so for now we have only 1 terabyte. We're gonna use this one. Let's go ahead with the screws. Let's hold it here in place. Okay, 1 screw has it. Pretty much it's still in place. We install the second one. And then okay, so we install this one here, the last screw. Now we tie the screws. Okay, everything is fine now. So we have the hard drive already installed here, and this cable come inside the box of the unit. You're going to get it here. You see, it's highly recommend that you have the different SATA ports has their numbers, HD1, HD2. So if you have only 1 hard drive, just put it in 1, or if you have 2, 1 and 2. Either way, if you want to do it like mix it, doesn't really matter. It's just preference. So in case you got any failure hard drive or something, you know which one it belongs to. Okay, install this one, and then we have here You can use any of these connectors, and that's it. This is the installation of the hard drive. Now we put it back. Okay, we slide it in, and the 2 screws that we removed in the beginning, we put it back in. Okay, this is all. If you have any question regarding the installation of the hard drive or any other question, just email us, give us a call, and we answer all our questions. Thank you for watching.